In this workflow, we're going to do low inventory notifications that are location specific. So warehouse specific, whatever locations you have configured in Shopify. My test store, I just have these two. So here's how it works. Here's how she works. Trigger on inventory level updated, grab the inventory item, grab some more details, grab the product, and then grab the location from the ID that comes in there. And then just have this filter here to check the inventory levels. And then you can send that email out. And so the alert would look something like this: product name, product title, location name, stock level is low at, and then put the level in there. Now to test this, I have some previous runs in here, so it's easier to test. This one, in order to test it when you're starting from scratch, you're going to want to turn it on first, go in and change one of your levels, save it, and then wait for an actual webhook to come in. That way, because it's keying off of the inventory item ID, which is going to be hard for you to pull in manually. So there's that test run, and then you can turn it off just until you finish testing and things like that. Make sure it's all working. And then if you want to test that in the future, you'll have that run in there that you can test it against. But yeah, you can see that test went through, and we got product name, location name that's looking at there. So hope that is helpful. As always, you can download this from the automation demos section of the blog, and you can download that workflow right there. If you need any help setting it up, feel free to reach on out.